Guys, this is Mirsa with WTI, and I wanted to share with you our pet tent. Winston has been enjoying it so far. He is a miniature schnauzer, and he's the type of dog that does not like loud noises, or if there's too many people coming over, he gets a little bit overwhelmed. So what he would used to do is either go under our arms or feet, or he'll find anything to hide, bury his head under a pillow or a blanket. This has been the perfect escape for him. As you can see, he's enjoying it very much. He has his feet up. So Winston can perfectly fit sideways. Also, if he's laying facing forward, or if he's standing up, he fits perfectly in there. Another reason why I have enjoyed our new pet tent is that it's very easy to assemble and came in 2 pieces, which is the tent and then the bed. You can wash it if you need to. Also, it's very pleasing to the eye. It fits perfectly in our living room. I like that it's very portable. It's very light, so I can easily move it. It doesn't have to be against anything. It could stand alone. So these are some of the reasons why we have enjoyed our new pet tent, but also Winston. Thank you for joining me today. This was my point of view.